going to do is load our data into the dataframe.streamlit app. You upload a comma-separated value file here, and we have uploaded work roles. We're going to perform a series of steps in step 1 to distinguish attributes about the data. Over on the left-hand side in this toolbox, we have some components. We can visualize the data with the histogram. We can choose the column we would like to display in the histogram. If we can't get a shape to appear here, it tells us that this is the wrong tool to really be using. We can create a box plot. The box plot will let us plot values where they appear and intersect. And now all of a sudden we understand how the two components are related. Something references something else at this particular section. We can create a correlation heat map. Now this data doesn't have a lot of structure to it, so we don't have anything to correlate yet. It means we're missing a value. And we can also do some scatter plots. And we might see that we don't have data in here that fits these tools, besides the scatter plot comparing those items. So we have an understanding about it. We can show the column names. So now we understand what the column names are. We can show missing values. And we can handle that by if null is present or if null isn't. And then we can also examine specific rows and columns together and create a new and very clean data frame and even assign another value. That's the really important part. So we can inspect a specific column. We can start to bring them together. We can say, I want to know the role and the ID and the description of the work that's done by the work role. And now we have something that starts to make sense, and we can reference the work role ID, and we can understand the context about what that is, the description of the work that they would do, and the tasks that we would even assign them. So that's about how we can distinguish attributes inside of data.